Hello there! Today we are diving into how you can boost PHP applications performance by eliminating runtime autoloading, thanks to PeachPie PHP compiler. We will also explore what happens behind the scenes by decompiling decompiled code. Let's take a look on a real-world native PHP application. Because in PHP, every request requires locating and including class files during runtime. This is a significant performance bottleneck. For example, in a fresh Laravel 11 installation, profiling shows that almost half of the request time is spent just autoloading classes. Here is a simple PHP project with MS-built file for the .NET compiler. Let's have a closer look at what a compiled binary file looks like when we build it, and then decompile it using ILSpy, a popular tool for examining .NET assemblies. Notice our project has compilation file, which is a standard way of defining PHP packages and their dependencies, but also it allows to define autoload map. Here we specify to autoload classes in acme namespace. The compiled assembly is in the bin folder. Let's open it. At first glance, it looks impressive already. Every PHP class and every PHP function is transformed into a corresponding .NET class or method. This makes everything natively accessible in .NET. But let's dig deeper. Look at the bytecode of class usages. Those who are not a part of composer's autoloading have to be handled differently. The runtime needs to resolve the class descriptor first, causing eventual autoloading, and after that, the class will be used in its typical dynamic manner. But something interesting emerges for classes that were part of composer's autoloading map. The compiled IL doesn't contain runtime file inclusion logic or the autoloading scaffolding at all. The class can be used directly. Moreover, such bytecode is further optimized by .NET Just-in-Time compiler, because all the symbols are already resolved in the compile time. Also notice the metadata that are emitted by the compiler for each of the compiled PHP class. There are certain flags annotating whether it is or it is not autoloadable. For most modern PHP projects, it is a great performance boost. PeachPie offers a powerful way to streamline your PHP project by combining the best of PHP and .NET. And while some runtime flexibility might be missing, the performance and interoperability benefits more than make up for it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into PHP and .NET integration. Also, we appreciate your support on Patreon at patreon.com/pchpcompiler.